In this video, I'm going to be showing you the exact strategy I leverage on. Why other person were going around looking for how to get people gathered, in a particular class across campuses while I was in training. I want to show you the exact strategy I leverage on that actually enabled me to reach well over 50,000 students across more than 14 campuses. And the way the scheme works is such that you get paid per each student you reach out to. So you can actually wonder when you are getting paid for as much as $4 per each person that actually attend your training. You can multiply that by well over 50,000 person actually come on board. Though I don't get that pay, but I get my commission on the basis of doing that. So the absolute strategy I leverage on, that's exactly what I want to show you. How WhatsApp enabled me to get that done. And subsequently, how I'm already taking WhatsApp to a new level, leveraging on artificial intelligence both of WhatsApp now to close deal, to sell product, and to do a whole lot of stuff. And now to also you too can also do that. That's a simple thing I want to show you in this video. So right now, let me go back to my laptop while you actually take advantage of this learning opportunity within the shortest possible time. Thank you. See you on the inside. Wow, wow, wow. Congratulations, I must say. Congratulations for making it to this live turning presentation. I'm sincerely sure that this is going to go a long way to turn around your business, your finance, henceforth. So we're going to be very quick about this. I don't want to waste your time. You can actually turn up a timer on your phone to see that in the next 35 minutes max, I'm going to exit this presentation, and trust me, your business will never remain the same again. So we're going to be looking at WhatsApp marketing strategy, how to do WhatsApp marketing in 2022. How do you do WhatsApp marketing in 2022? My name is Williams Adelegan, African leading Google Digital Skill Trainer, and trust me, this is going to be the best. If you've actually gone through any training related to WhatsApp marketing before, but trust me, this is going to be the best. Yes, I can guarantee that. I can beat my chest with that. The best is going to be seen. So we're going to be looking at how to do WhatsApp marketing in 2022. So let's move. So what is WhatsApp marketing? WhatsApp marketing, let's just do some theoretical. Let's understand certain things about WhatsApp marketing before we delve into the real deal, before we take some practicals, and subsequently before I show you how we can take this to the next level. Very, very, very important. So what is WhatsApp marketing? WhatsApp marketing is a new fashion way of marketing to reach, engage, and convert potential prospects using WhatsApp platform. All we need to have is a mobile internet in a device to get or send call and messages. If you are planning to launch a new product or you want to inform your customers about your new service, WhatsApp marketing is an easy way to make it possible. So a whole number of us will already have WhatsApp on our mobile phone. So the question is, going forward, beyond using this to shout, beyond using this to know what's the trend, look at people's status, some people, they just feel like they feel good, they feel good waking up in the morning, going through status, going through social media. How do you become a producer and make so much money? It's as simple as that. Leveraging on WhatsApp. Yes, you don't know how to build website. Yes, you don't have major digital skills. You're looking for the fastest route to learn and to earn. WhatsApp marketing. That's what we're doing here. Leveraging on WhatsApp marketing. WhatsApp marketing is an easy way to make it possible. Benefit of WhatsApp marketing. Why should we leverage on WhatsApp marketing? Why? The main important thing why business people want to use WhatsApp marketing is that already being used by, at the moment, 2.2 billion users globally. 2.2. And about 80% of smartphone users use this application. Trust, in Africa, for example, most of these phones are pre-installed with WhatsApp. As well as nearly 65 billion. Currently, over 100 billion messages are sent through WhatsApp on daily basis. And today, it actually comes as the second most used app after Facebook globally. Yeah. So these are some of the strong benefits of why you need to understand and leverage on WhatsApp marketing. Because why? Availability of users on platform. Most of WhatsApp users check it at least how many? 43 times daily. Today, how many times have you checked your WhatsApp? It has higher open rate than your Facebook. It has higher open rate than your email. And this was quick response time on WhatsApp. You get quick response time. Ability to reach users in group. You are already used to this. You know this already. The question now is, how do you now turn it to your advantage? Subscription-based update and quite a number of other stuff. So, WhatsApp for business owners. We have the normal WhatsApp. We have WhatsApp for business. So, you are as a business owner now, how do you leverage this to your profiting? How do you leverage WhatsApp to your profit? I would strongly recommend using the WhatsApp Business because this app is created keeping in mind the business needs of companies. Yeah, there are some tools you'll be able to leverage on with WhatsApp Business that is not available with your normal WhatsApp. So that's very important. So if you don't have, and you can have the two of them installed on the same phone, yes, but with different contact, with different phone number. Following are extremely useful features of the business version. 1, create a business profile, not just your name now. You can create a business profile with all important information about your business. You can organize contact using label, prospects, lead customers. There's a whole lot you can even do with WhatsApp Business on its own. Automated responses and greetings when people interact with your business. It has that. Set up working hours and send automated response in non-working hours. You see that? Quick replies or common questions from customers. Ability to use WhatsApp Business API. That's the part. I've seen people do a lot of trainings, how to make money with WhatsApp views, how to do all of those stuff. But listen, when it comes to leveraging on API, there are few persons, I can beat my chest with that actually handles that as in at the level at which I want to show you right now. So good luck. Methods, WhatsApp marketing. What are the various methods of WhatsApp marketing? WhatsApp integration with website. You can integrate WhatsApp to your website. And right now, there are evidence that their website that actually have WhatsApp integrated on them actually have more conversion. WhatsApp group strategy, that's leveraging on WhatsApp group. WhatsApp automation using API. I'm going to show you practical example. WhatsApp broadcast list strategy. WhatsApp group status update strategy. These are massive strategy in WhatsApp marketing right now. So statistics, there are currently more than 2 billion WhatsApp users around the globe and rising. That's way back as 2020. That's what I told you right now. We already have over 2.1 billion people on WhatsApp, and these numbers keep increasing at half a billion every 2 years. Just imagine what's going to happen in the next 1-2 years in your country, in Nigeria, in Ghana, in Kenya, wherever you are. So I'm going to be showing you not just statistics, but what I've been able to do with WhatsApp. So let's move. That's why I'm telling you I'm going to be very fast, and I'm not telling you theory, but I want to show you proofs. So WhatsApp popularity as a mobile app. 1.6 billion WhatsApp users access the app on monthly basis. There are people who just go there once in a while, but on monthly basis, over 1.6 billion. Currently, Facebook actually got over 2.8 billion users. Yeah. So WhatsApp actually comes before Instagram, before Twitter, even before Facebook Messenger when it comes to the number of users. So that's, if you are already playing with WhatsApp, that's for you to wake up. I did a training similar to this. I wrote a book right before the global lockdown in 2020. Yeah, February 2020. Make it available to people, leverage on WhatsApp status, because I've done some stuff way back at that time with WhatsApp status, with WhatsApp group. A lot of persons took advantage. Today, some of them have increased on that knowledge. They are cashing out massively today using WhatsApp to promote affiliate products. Yeah. So, but that's by the way. But how can you become a producer and start making money rather than just being on the fence, or you are just being a consumer, looking at people's status, people are sending you message, day in, day out. So, how about download wise? WhatsApp was downloaded 96 million times in February 2020. In 2021, that number increased. The next WhatsApp statistic is further proof of the word app popularity. In February 2020, WhatsApp app downloads came in around 96 million. As of 2021, that number goes to about 120 million download. So WhatsApp statistics on availability. WhatsApp is available in more than 180 countries and 60 different languages. WhatsApp is currently available in over 180 countries around the globe. So that's to tell you that right in your WhatsApp group, if you are dealing with, if you are like, English speaking, you've seen that happen in some WhatsApp group. You have people from Kenya, across Africa, Europe, Malaysia, right in the same WhatsApp group. Communities are being built around WhatsApp. People have them in their numbers. Subsequently, some migrate to Telegram. Telegram has its own advantage. But when we talk about where we are more of the numbers, because the question is, I want to go so practical, and I want to show you how this works. But for example, why do you think Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg actually bought this company in 2014 thereabout for about $19 billion? The company, the number of users at that time was less than 500 million. Yeah, as at that time. It's for the numbers. If you have a app now today, even though if it's a news reading app, and you have more than 100,000 visitors, not subscribers here too,
visitors, only traffic, visitors, you are millions. Imagine you now have, let's say, a list of, let's say, 100,000, same 100,000 people who receive email about your news update every day. You have that, and you have more than 60% of them coming back to your website. I don't want to go down deep into that right now. Let's move further. Let's talk about WhatsApp. WhatsApp usage by country. India today actually have, as in like the biggest. Africa, for example, Nigeria has the highest, I think, followed by Kenya. Kenya usage is also massive, probably Egypt and quite a number of other countries across board like that. And these numbers are increasing on daily basis. These numbers are increasing every day. So, how about numbers of messages sent? No, in one of my training way back as in probably about 2013, 2014, I was asking some of my students, when last did you get SMS? When last did you capitalize on SMS? Today is the second week of 2022, for example. It's been Christmas, it's been New Year, it's been name it. When last do anybody send you text message to say, hey, Happy New Year? Oh, Happy Ramadan. Hey, Happy Christmas. Hey, Happy this one. Everybody has moved. They've moved. Everybody has moved straight to what? To WhatsApp. You see that? Straight to WhatsApp. That tells you something. That tells you something. Where people gather, that's where the money is. Forget about the purpose of their gathering. Hey, forget about the purpose of their gathering. Wherever you see people gathering daily, just imagine it now, your city, wherever you are in any part of the world where you are listening to me from, wherever people gather every day, there is money there. Physically, I'm talking about physical. That major bus stop, that major roundabout in your city, just look at it. You want to cash out, that's where your billboard should be. But these days we've gone off from traditional model of marketing. We are talking about what? Digital model of marketing. Now, where do people gather online? How come Mark Zuckerberg is worth over $74 billion or more? Probably more now, yeah, more. Yeah. And oftentimes I tell people, either you are marketing on Facebook or not, Facebook is making money via you. Some person say, how? How do Facebook make money through me? This is not time for that conversation. It's not as a result of your recharge or data, no. But I don't want to go deep down into that now. Over 100 billion messages are sent every day. So, what am I going to be showing you? My $150,000 WhatsApp strategy. You understand? That enabled me to train over 50,000 plus students across campuses with all spark full without any other form of marketing or notification but WhatsApp. How did I do it? Yeah, this was in 2019, 2020, before the lockdown. I was across a lot of campuses in Nigeria with the message of Google Digital Skills across board. So for all these pictures, I think a lot of these pictures were actually taken right there. This in University of Benin, this in Auchi Polytechnic, this in Adeyemi College of Education. This all is about 1,200 seating capacity. This at Ekiti State University. They are quite as in loads, a whole lot about other campuses that actually went to with this training. And I want to show you how simply I want to share this with you. You know, because it says the sources of people is in their stories. Till date, you know, that has been the most hardworking of first quarter in 2019. I had that all through the year till 2020 before we paused the program as a result of coronavirus lockdown. And for the first time, my company has asked people, ask Williams, how on earth is Williams doing it? How come training over 49,000 persons? Nobody come close at 30,000. Nobody come close probably at 28 to 27,000. The next person is probably at 26,000. Out of over 120 trainers across board. The bottom line is, yes, there were quite a number of strategies I put in place to get approval from these campuses. But the bottom line is this: how do I get the all field as in get filled like this? How? What were the strategies? Why will students leave other things they are doing? This is not Davido, this is not Wizkid, as in trying to probably, this is not a comedy session. You know, how do I get students filled up without any form of banners, without SMS and any other method? Everything was done on WhatsApp. I want you to pay full attention here, you know, just listen to me, because I'm not going to practicalize it like, oh, this is what transpired, this is what happened, but listen carefully. I had my strategy that enabled me to reach out to the vice chancellor or a provost or the rector of a university, polytechnic, or colleges of education. And I got to their office straight up. They call me. Most cases they call me. I engage with them. We are coming to your school. Some even give circulars across board, notifying lecturers among other things. Some even declare what do you call it? Some faculties oftentimes will declare lecture free, which was very bad at some point, because when you say lecture free, that means students will just decide to sit at home. But why students are on campus, why would they leave gossiping, doing other things, and go to a particular hall and take some of all these lectures? And how would they even be aware? There were no circular. How many of them go to the notice board to read updates, to say Google training, At times, some person have gone to the school before to initialize, they got approval, and at the end of the day, people don't turn up. How do I get these guys? Strategically, when I get to any of these campuses, hey, Vice Chancellor has approved, no big deal, thank you so much, Mr. Vice Chancellor. Even though you are the number one man on campus, but what? Let me reach out to the number one man among the student community, the SUG president, the welfare director, the sport across board, and I communicate with this guy. Please let me talk to you on WhatsApp. I got a contact, please, and immediately I come up with a write-up. This one I'm going to be showing those that will be joining on the WhatsApp class how to write, as in other emotional driven content, psychological triggers content. Hello, to whom it may concern. It's not even to whom it may concern thing. From the office of probably the SUG president, from the office of the vice chancellor, this will notify you. Well-crafted message that indicate that there's going to be a free live transforming Google digital skill training. At times, I don't even state Google digital skill, a digital training that will show you how to do this, and this. Probably how to make money at this level, this, and this. How to get this kind of result online. There's going to be recharge card, there's going to be this, a whole lot of these promises that will be well kept, will be documented. And right there, these guys are reaching out to all class reps across board. Because right now, all of these students engage on WhatsApp. They know when the next lecturer is changing venue. Everything is done. If you are not on WhatsApp, you are in any tertiary institution, you are missing out. You don't even know when the next lecture will be taking place. So all of these things are on WhatsApp. So I knew where these guys are gathered is on WhatsApp. So I penetrated all WhatsApp, all of their class rep, send the message, let it go viral. And the next thing you have there is this, very simple. All jam-packed to capacity. All jam-packed, back to back, back to back, back to back, back to back. WhatsApp group. I just show you that secret. Leveraging on those WhatsApp group, though they don't even need to register, they are notified. So when they see us throwing up banners, projector, they are fully aware. Like, hey, what's up? These are the Google guys. And trust me, my training models are such that if you are in my training the first 5 minutes, you can't afford to jump out of the class. You will want to stay to the end. So basically, that was it. And at the end of the day, I haven't made my company as much as over $150,000. I got rewarded for it. Yeah, because you get paid as much as the work you do. You have the week and month of over 500,000, over close to $1 million. We have some month of over $1 million, like that and like that and like that. So it's crazy. That was what I was able to do with WhatsApp group. But right now, let me shock you guys. A whole lot of stuff are already happening. I share this. I think I'm going to pull up the book soon. On now, you can leverage on WhatsApp and get massive results with WhatsApp views. But right now, we are talking about how organizations are leveraging WhatsApp AI automation. And I'm going to be showing you in practical WhatsApp AI automation. There's a place of WhatsApp views. Hey, yes. There's a place of broadcast. There's a place of WhatsApp group. I'm going all those one. That's what most persons are talking about today. Get WhatsApp views. But listen, that's primary. I'm going to show you everything in detail. Okay, quickly, let me show you how the AI automation actually works. Our organizations are leveraging massively on AI automation to make sure they meet their customers at the point of their immediate needs 24/7, all throughout the day, all throughout the month, even at times, even on weekend basis. So let's see how that works very quickly. So let's check this out. This is GTB Bank customer support as applicable online. I think I had one tragic experience some times ago where I did a transaction and unfortunately the recipient claimed he couldn't get didn't get the money, and I went to my bank because I've been debited. I was there for more than 2 hours standing. It was painful because I couldn't remember when last in my life I had to go to bank to stand on the queue for that long. And at about 5:30, I won't be in the bank since about 3:30. I was told the transaction wasn't actually up to 2 hours, and on that note, sorry, it was up to 48 hours. So on that note, they can't do anything about it. It was painful, and subsequently, I was like, there should be a way around this thing online. There should be a way. So I went online, I got this number, and I shouted them up. So just look at this for example. When I say hello, you know, this is it. This bot is directly connected to their CRM that have the details of all their customers and all that stuff. So what was my issue? I had the dispense error, yeah, which was number 3. So dispense error number 3. You pick that up, and so you follow through. Don't forget, right now I'm actually doing this on the weekend, and I'm able to get solution for what I needed. So unresolved pending dispenser, dispenser status update, log dispenser, unresolved, okay, unresolved pending dispense error, okay, let me see, log dispense error 1. Just let me log a dispense error. To report failed card transaction, please visit, okay, they're asking you, or you can also log by this, you can also log by this, by this, by this, okay. Type M for menu, okay. Let me go back to the menu by using the M option. It's going to take me back to the beginning. Loads of organizations are leveraging massively on it, not just for direct automation, complete CRM, insurance companies globally, hospitals, in such a way that you can automate this completely for an hospital. But don't forget that such hospital must definitely have all the data of all their customers, existing customers, online in their database. So when somebody is trying to okay, I'm currently having this kind of pain, you're a customer, so what's your card? So the moment you put or your card number, the moment the person input the card number, they're able to online trace every details about that person to know exactly what the recommendation among other things to be. So for example, when you engage this my company bot, for example, I'm using another number to communicate with this bot, and I'm saying, okay, hello to this bot, and immediately there's response. The bot is responding to me now, to me, Williams comment of the same way some of you must have actually seen this bot before. And I'm okay. You want to join, for example, this WhatsApp automation masterclass, you used to, okay, join the class. You can actually build this up, okay, and the next thing you have the link to the group. Straight up. Or you want to go back to the previous menu. When you click this link now, it moves you to the group. When you go to the previous menu, it takes you to the previous menu. As in that's the main menu. That's okay. You want to check our Google My Business or cryptocurrency. We trade cryptocurrency. For example, this is part of our service. Grow your money daily by 5 to 10%. How does that work? Okay, let me find out. You run an MLM. You can use this to automate your recruitment processes. I'm going to be doing a separate video for those that actually run MLM and how they can actually run a sequence like this to get people to actually join their business. So for example, 0 goes back to the main menu. All of this can be happening simultaneously with 100 people. That's the beauty. You have 100 people coming in from Facebook, from different places, interacting with you. At the same time, the bot is responding to them immediately. That's all you can do. So this person is okay, cryptocurrency, bam. Okay, buy, sell cryptocurrency to person I want to sell, buy or sell. Which coin and what quantity are you selling? Depends, pick one. After picking one, the person needs to state, okay, which quantity. I'm selling probably $1,000 USDT. $1,000. So at this point in time, this person is going to get as a feedback directly from the company. Okay, probably the customer care is going to shout the person up to take the conversation to the next level. I did something with this World Health Organization, for example. They also use something similar. They use the same bot. You shout them up high. They reply you with recent. Most companies are going this way. But the idea is what I'm going to be doing is simple. As in, it's way different from this. I'm going to be showing you how you can leverage on this now to grow your business. How you can leverage on this to generate more WhatsApp views. When you run advert now, leveraging on some massive lead magnet, you can actually get people coming here. And the moment if you check my boat here, say hi, that means if you are not yet my contact, it's going to like I pick your number, comment of the season. I'm going to change this subsequently. Okay. Also, kindly save this number as Braveheart for a personalized experience, or you get it. So if you have 200 person you are driving traffic from YouTube, from WhatsApp, they actually join you. The next thing is you need them to save your number. You can actually create a form that they must have filled before they get in there, so you can automatically save their number, even if they are up to 1,000. But the moment they come here, you save their number. The moment they just, depending on the kind of message you made available, because you can actually customize the kind of message that bring them to you, whereby they will even need to put in their name while shouting up with you. So this is a whole lot. There's a whole lot you can actually do with the automated system. There's a whole lot. There's a whole lot you can do with the automated system. So subsequently, what I want us to do now is organizations are leveraging on this, and you also need to be at the forefront of this. And that will bring us to the main masterclass that I'm going to be showing us massively. So, as looking at all that you have seen thus far, I'm going to be taking you through a major masterclass that's going to be a paid class, whereby you're going to understand pitfalls in WhatsApp marketing and how to avoid them. It's a $50 worth class. Most persons, I've seen people, my name is Dio Johnson. We're in the same group. I just want us to connect. I know you're an intelligent person. A whole lot of wrong method. Most cases you join group, you are beginning to shout each and every one of those persons in the group. People join your group, you lack strategy to be able to like save their whole contact, to follow them up, to make sure they save your contact. Imagine you do a free training whereby you have 200 persons joining your group, and you ensure that every one of them, by leveraging their strategy you use to make sure that, hey, getting this value from me will require that you've already saved my number. Don't forget, people only buy from people they know, they like, they trust. That's why, for example, it will be very difficult right now, even though you get 10,000 people's contact, fresh contact from nowhere, and they save your number, and you expect them to start buying from you. They don't know you. So there's a way you actually nurse these leads. They come in 50, in 30, like that, and subsequently probably you have 500 people. You understand? Who view your status on daily basis. If at all the first time they didn't buy from you, subsequently they will buy. If they didn't buy the first product you are selling, subsequently they will buy another one, because they know you. You understand? And I'm going to be showing you strategies to entertain them, to educate them, because you don't just post on your status, oh, join this group, learn how to do graphic design, and make alright. I've seen people doing all of those things in errors on daily basis. How about you tell them, give something free? Okay, join this class, even though you're going to tell them to join the class, and learn for free how to design book covers. And subsequently, you now want to expand to them how they can do all manner of graphic design. But before you do that, the graphic design industry is worth so amount of money. Last year, you've been able to like generate this amount of money by rendering graphic design services for so persons. Now, let me show you how you can do mobile graphic design that can take you less than 15 minutes. You understand? To design a job worth about 10,000 naira. You've been able to educate, because you educate, you entertain before you start selling. That's by the way. How to attract quality contacts to your WhatsApp. Not all contacts are quality. Not all. Oftentimes I ask people, who are you, as in when we talk about customer avatar. Your customer avatar. For example, today you want to sell a Benz, you actually got this Benz, you are a car dealer, you want to start selling cars, and the next thing you decide to do is to go to a secondary school gate and share flyers. Or probably you're a real estate person, you are selling land in Lekki, and what you think you should do is to go down to King's College in Lekki. Probably you're expecting them to take the flyers home to go and give their dad. No, it doesn't work that way. No. So, by the way, you're going to learn how to attract quality contacts on WhatsApp. You're going to learn how to leverage an indomitable lead magnet to grow your list. That means something free, lead magnet, ethical bribe. That's also worth about $50, over 25,000. Hidden strategy to use group broadcast and WhatsApp views to make money. Yeah, that's WhatsApp views. Hidden strategy, how you can leverage on WhatsApp broadcast, how you can leverage on WhatsApp views, group to actually make money. You are going to discover that. You are going to leverage on how to leverage YouTube. I'm going to show you some strategies and how you can use YouTube to actually to grow your list, to get people to your WhatsApp and grow your list, how to get digital product to sell digital product. There are a lot of digital product, free product you can actually repackage as your own, and you can start selling for about $10, for about $5, for about like that, and start making money immediately. How to get physical products to sell to make massive money the same way. Some of all these physical products you don't need to even buy them. All you need to do is just advertising them. I'm going to show you strategy. Affiliate program to make massive money from. I'm not talking about affiliate program that will need you to first pay before you can be an affiliate. No. Free affiliate program massively, for example, if you're in Nigeria or in any African country, that can actually enable you to make massive money. Yeah, you're going to get that. How to grow your team using this tool. For example, you're an MLM person. How can you leverage on this tool to grow your team? And finally, you are going to have access to a lifetime access to my mentorship group, where more valuable updates will be made available as in consistently. The complete total value of this is over $850. That's worth over, currently in Nigeria, worth over over 450,000. That probably over 500,000 right now. But you are not going to be paying this amount of money. No, on the contrary. And another thing I'm going to be doing right now is I'm going to be giving you a bonus. I'm going to be giving my training on Google My Business Verified strategies. Currently, I lead the team in Africa that actually get businesses in their thousands to get verified on monthly basis. Did a whole of that in 2021, and currently in 2022, I want to give more rooms to individuals who want to be able to like get business verified. Their strategy, you can actually get them website. You can actually get their website design. You can actually set them on Google and get them verified. Google has actually taken up the business of verification to a new level now. Not everybody who can verify before can do that now. So, but I'm still one of the very few persons that can actually help you to get your business get verified on Google. So I'm going to be showing you how you can actually join the team that can make that happen. And subsequently, you even get paid by Google. Google will pay you for doing that. And you can actually add extra services that will make the owner of businesses to get you paid to pay you. So that's the $10,000 income as an extra income strategy, especially if you're in Nigeria. Website design masterclass, especially the second one is for those persons who are not in Nigeria, who are actually taking this course. You get the website design masterclass where you're going to be able to learn how to build as in any kind of website, leveraging content management system. You'll be able to learn that in less than 4 hours. You're able to master how to build massive website. So what are you waiting for? That will be the end of this presentation. But you are going to be getting all this value back to back. Like I said earlier, I've done this. This is not one of those things like, hey, one of those stuff probably some people share like, hey, I hope. This is not hope. This is something that I've tested that is working, and I believe it's also going to work in your hand. So if you are going to, as far as you're going to be taking action, there's going to be a link either above or below this video. Click on it, connect with me, or it's going to take you straight up to the payment page. Make payment. The moment you make payment, it's going to bring you back to the masterclass WhatsApp group, where you're going to get all the training materials I've actually emphasized and talking about right now. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate you. God bless you. Okay, I hope you got value from that. More of that will be coming up on this channel, so you can please kindly like, share this video, subscribe to this channel as the case may be, and for the masterclass, trust me, you're going to be getting immense value, tremendous value. I will be expecting to see you on the inside. Thank you so much for your time as in on this video. See you on the other side.